application architecture in MyBatis. Here you can see application architecture. MyBatis framework is used to support operation of relational database. The application architecture of the system is shown in this figure. In MyBatis framework system, the main components are SQL session factory bean and mapper scanner configurer. SQL session factory bean category relies on externally injected data sources. Data source and there are two attributes, config location and mapper locations. Config location specifies the location of MyBatis config file. Master location specifies the location of multiple kappa mapping files. The mapper scanner configurer relies on SQL session factory bean and automatically scans the package path based on the package location of IDAO interface specified by the base packages attribute to create mapper factory bean. Mapper factory bean category for each DAO category. The mapper factory bean category mapper factory bean category will create its specific implementation example for the IDAO interface category it correspond to and inject it into the service layer business code. In the development of Spring Boot, replace the mobile scanner configurer class with mapper scan. Their effects are the same. When using the MyBatis frame to perform database operation, the content of the red box part in the above picture needs to be realized by developers. Data source is any class example that achieve the java.x.sql.data source interface, for example awk.apache.tomcat.jdbc.pool.data source. The data source correspond to single capital single table operation or com.dangdang.dd frame.rdb.sharding.jdbc.datasource.sharding data source. The data source is used in the subcapital subtable operation. IDAO is the data operation interface to realize the user's data operational logic. It's generally divided into two parts, interface and PO. The configuration files are divided into MyBatis configuration files and Kappa configuration files, mapper configuration files, and MyBatis configuration files are mainly used to design the alias of PO classes to facilitate the reference to PO classes. The mapper configuration files are used to manage SQL statement. Here you can see the mapper factory bean is connected to the IDAO IMPL, and IDAO IMPL is connected to IDAO. IDAO are in service. Here transactional and data source transactional manager are in Spring here. Here IDAO IMPLs and mapper factory beans and mapper scanner configurer base packages at mapper scan and SQL session factory bean are inside MyBatis Spring. Here mapper factory scanner configurer is connected to base packages and mapper scan is connected to batch packages. Here you can see data sources, and here you can see config and mappers. Now this is the end of my presentation. Thank you very much for watching it.